Meet the JLab Go Air Pop plus Earbuds, compact, stylish earbuds delivering powerful sound in a pocket-friendly design. With a secure fit, long battery life, and easy controls, they're perfect for everyday listening on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JLab Go Air Pop plus Earbuds, USB-C charging case, extra ear tips, and user manual. How to wear. Try different ear tip sizes included in the box to find the best fit. A secure and snug fit is essential for the best sound quality and overall listening experience. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. To charge the case, use the integrated USB cable and connect it to a computer or a 5-volt USB adapter. Make sure to use an adapter that does not exceed 5 volts. A blinking blue light indicates that the case is charging, and it will turn solid blue once it is fully charged. How to pair. Open the case and remove the pull tab, then take the earbuds out of the case. Once out of the case, one earbud blinks blue and white, indicating they are ready to pair to your device. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select JLab Go Air Pop. A voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected followed by blinking white lights on both earbuds will indicate that you are connected. Smart features? Enjoy up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge with an additional 27 hours from the charging case, keeping your music going all day. Lets in ambient sound so you can stay aware of your surroundings while listening, perfect for walking, commuting, or workouts. Built with IPX4 water resistance, these earbuds handle sweat and light splashes, making them ideal for workouts and daily use. Use either earbud independently and enjoy crisp, clear calls thanks to dual microphones for reliable voice pickup. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JLab Go Air Pop plus earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JLab Go Air Pop plus earbuds. See you at the next one.